Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's been so many days we haven't visited any park, so here we are at Air-conditioned park located in Garafa area. Here you can see this is tunnel which is walking and jogging track throughout park, and there they are maintaining temperature between 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. So this tunnel is quite spacious, and yes, it is very comfortable. Even in harsh summer we can walk, jog here. So this is one of the best attraction we can say you can visit in Qatar. And these are the AC vent. This track is covered with climb vines, which in turn work to circulate cool air and reduces its leakage to maintain cold air inside the track. This tunnel is example of one of smart environmental design, as it is having mashrabia style structure, that is carved window, especially in olden days they used to carve design window for the building, so it helped to maintain temperature. Because of carving, air can circulate easily. Also, there are two kids play area for younger and older kids, and a open gym. After spending time in a gym, now kids want to play football, so they are going there, and me and Mahesh will have walk here. This park is a good picnic spot. We can have walk here. Kids can play in kids play area. Also, we can sit and like all age group can enjoy here. Here you can see in the evening it looks so beautiful, and as well as it is very comfortable even in the harsh summer. Now we all are hungry, so we already carried some food with us. So we will have some food and let's see what we can do after this. After searching a place, so much discussion, and then finally we decided one place where we can sit and have food. It's quite windy. Somehow, me and Arif trying to put this bed sheet, but it's so much windy, and finally we did it. But after this, again plan changed. Kids again wanted to play some frisbee and this that. So again we decided to have food later. So here we both of us walking barefoot because they say it's therapeutic when you walk on lawn without shoes. And here kids are playing again. So finally they are hungry and we are having here sandwiches. After spending nice time in park, now kids wanted to do some shopping. So we decided to visit Decathlon in mall. So here we finished our shopping and it's time to return home. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if yes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Bye bye, and thank you so much for watching this video.